Today we're going to be continuing body paragraph 2 of our essay. We have already written our introduction together. You should already have that completed and checked by me. Yesterday we worked on our body paragraph 1. This is my example. You are supposed to do your research for your childhood on a piece of notebook paper. The big part that I want you to remember if you're not done with your body paragraph is that all your ideas need to make sure that they lead to the events from childhood, did they lead to them changing the world? So if they didn't lead to them changing the world, it is not important to put it in your body paragraph about the childhood. Okay, so if I move on to body paragraph 2, right here, it's about standing up for what they believed in. Explain how your real life superhero stood up for what they believed in. So this means you are going to need to read the rest of the section on your person. Find out, how did your person stand up for what they believed in? So you can pause this video, go ahead and read the rest of that section, do the exact same research gathering notes that you did for childhood. So just turn your page over that for childhood and write body paragraph 2, standing up for what they believed in. Collect those notes. How did your person stand up for what they believed in? Once you're done, come back here and you can watch the rest of this video to see how I've written my body paragraph 2 after I've done all that research. Okay, so I'm going to assume that you've already done that. Okay, so remember, you're not copying mine because I am doing Cesar Chavez. So everybody's second paragraph is going to start with standing up for what you believe in takes a lot of courage. Cesar Chavez stood up for migrant farm workers in many ways. The first way that he stood up for the workers was by starting a union. Okay. Starting a union in order to, and remember you have to include 2 quotes throughout this, and I found a really good quote from the Cesar Chavez reading, and I'm going to include that here. Notice I'm doing quotation marks because it's taken directly from that text. So in order to make owners change their ways. And the end quotation mark is equally as important. Additionally, so notice there's those transition words that we need to make sure we're including because that's what good writers do. Additionally, he encouraged all Americans to boycott grapes to force the owners to give the farm workers better wages and working conditions. Notice that I have those transition words. Notice I have a quote. I have punctuation and capitalization. It really just flows. And I don't need to say, and that's how Cesar Chavez stood up for what he believed in. It's just implied. You can just leave it like that. I will check body paragraph 2 when I come back. Have a great day.